No fan spin. And a PS5 fan should spin as soon as it starts up. Overheat, it switches itself off by itself, I'm going to assume. Before I start taking it apart, let's just see if it powers on, because they're saying that it shuts off. They gave me a disc. Ooh, Pog. Maybe I should check and see if I get standby voltage on the rail first. Can I just go off a screw here? What do I get? 9 volts. That's meant to be 12, I'm sure. 12 volts. So it's got to be something to do with the standby voltage, because that's a steady 12. I'm just going to go with another fan, I think, quickly, just to rule that out, because it could just be a dud fan. Oh, it's not Nidec, it's Foxconn, chat. Roger, roger, roger. Fox can't. 3, 2, 1. Not very often you see that, hey? Yep, it's reset. All good to go. Cool.